Okay, so we're back in our server, and if you didn't watch the other episodes, just type in Vade Gamer in your YouTube search bar, and you'll see my other episodes of. Well, this is my first YouTube series, Minecraft series ever. So if you type in Vade Gamer, you'll see a couple episodes on. I forget which episode this is, but it's an episode, I'm sure of that. There's like a chair and a table. Yeah, okay. I think I've already been here. Oh, and my kitty cat. Is this my... Okay, yeah. Do I have any fish? Let's put on some of our stuff. Wait, where'd my leather cap go? Maybe... Okay, we gotta go find that place which had our leather cap. It was in one of the places chests, because we had a spare leather cap. I didn't get any iron. We've been in a lot of episodes. What? That's where another cat was. I don't have any fish, so I can't tame it. Why do I keep getting caught? How come I didn't run into any iron so far? Probably because I haven't went mining in this series yet. Okay, maybe we should get mining. I'll just make a little big source, as big as I can. I accidentally dropped all of it. The biggest source of I don't think we have our crafting table here. Okay, yeah, we gotta find a place. There's the iron golem, which I'm not gonna mess. Oh, there's our furnace, which we kinda didn't pick up, which we gotta do this pretty quickly. My pickaxe. Wait, maybe I could kill the iron golem if I had a bow and arrow. Wait, why isn't it burning? That's a little weird. Maybe I gotta burn. What happens if I burn a torch? What happens if I burn coal? I didn't try that before. I never tried it. Can you even burn coal? No, you can't. What happens if you burn planks? Oh yeah, I tried that, but it didn't work. What if you burn flint? That's weird. It's like the furnace didn't... Wait, what? Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot about this place. Is it... If I keep trying, will I be able to just jump over this fence at one point? Or will I have to use a door? Oh, I don't have any animals though, so that's the bad part. I gotta get some seeds. Maybe I can make a chicken farm, because I accidentally let out all the animals in here. And if you want me to consider doing that, smash that like button, and please, if you do, subscribe. Okay, now let's go find that chest we were looking for. Okay, is it in this house? I'm not sure which house it is, but it's a house, that's for sure. Okay, I think I might have been here already. Have I? Yeah, I have. What do horses eat? Wait. Do sheep eat hay? Wheat, I mean? Okay, they do. Aw, I thought that would work. Maybe I had to go a little slower. Oh, my kitty cat's always with me. Where is my house? Should I take some torches? Where did it go? Okay, I don't really care now. But where's... Nothing. The only thing you could make with coal is torches. I just need some iron. Iron is pretty not so rare. I've found iron before in previous Minecraft gameplays that I have played, but I didn't record. That's the bad part. I didn't record it. But how come I can't find it in this server? Is iron really rare in this server? Wait, I've never seen a bat in this server yet. I always hear it, but I never find it. That's just strange. Is it this house? I don't know. Oh wait, why am I trying to break the bed? Is it this house? Maybe. No, I think it's another house. I don't have any bones, so I can't tame a horse. Wait, maybe, do I have any seeds? I could start a chicken farm. 35, I already do, it seems. Okay, there we go. We got some chickens. Okay, maybe we can make that a chicken farm. Cause I see a bunch of subscribes. Wait, oh, there's a little. It loved me. Come on, this way, yeah. Good chicken. Good chicken. Okay, where's the fence? Okay, let's just keep going. Good chicken. Okay. Come here, you're good. Good chicken. Oh, it's almost night. That's a little bad thing. One chicken for a chicken farm. That's not so good, but we're just starting, so you can't blame me now. Cluck, cluck, here, chicken. This way. Yes, here. Come on, you're good. Wow, I never knew gathering chickens into a coop was this hard, because it's the first time I'm ever doing it. Come on, here, chicken. Close the door. Exactly. Oh, just stay in here. Close the door. Good chicken. There we go. First chicken. Oh, it's dark. I gotta place down a bed. I gotta sleep in the wilderness again. Why do I keep doing this? Sleep time. And my cat sits on top of me. Okay. Okay. Operation Next Chicken. Because then we can breed them to get more chickens. Did it drop any eggs? No, not yet. Here, take it. Okay, let's go find some other chickens. Come on, where are you chickens? Okay, I just started. Why am I getting tired already? Oh, there's two over there. Maybe I can get two in one go. Come over here, two chickens. Go call your friend over here. Okay, there we go. Good. Follow. Yes. That's a good chicken, even though they're laying eggs already. I need to bring them there, and then I can collect those eggs later, maybe. Where they go? They're right over there. Maybe I'll just feed them so they can trust me. Oh no, they're gonna start breeding. Huh. Oh, it's a family following me. I have a following family. Not the chicken coop I'm looking for. Maybe I could just drop them off in here though. Where's the fence gate? No, I'll just go to that. It's over there. Get out of my way, villager. Yes, good chickens. Over this way. You hear? All family. Oh, he dropped an egg. That's a good thing. I don't know what pig. Oh yeah, pigs eat carrots. Come on, how do I breed these? Oh, maybe I'll just wait till... Haha, you're trapped. What? Are you outside of the fence? No, you're just... How do I hurt you? Doesn't matter. Ouch, why do I keep taking that big fall? Maybe I'll make that chicken bigger. Oh yeah, I gotta get you some food too. You'd be starving right now. Is there any fish in this pond? Seems like some zombies died over here. Then why isn't there any zombie villagers? I don't get it. Oh yeah, they all must be smart villagers, so they'd be in their houses or being asleep. Oh yeah, and my cat's kind of lost maybe. But it'll come sooner or later, because it won't leave this village unless I leave it. And I'm not leaving it anytime soon, or maybe I will stay here for the end of the series. Until the end of the series, I mean. That's probably, because I don't really like building my own houses. I like stealing the other people's. Well, not in real life, in Minecraft. It's a little bit easier than making your own. But your own, you can use your own imagination. And I don't care. But why am I using like seeds? It'll be so hard killing them with the we need some cooked chicken. Oh, there we go. That's a little. Where is the chickens? What do you like? Hay, I bet. I have 60 of it, so come over here. Okay, good sheep. Even though I think your friend, you're still a good sheep because you are following me. Or maybe I killed your worst enemy, so you must really like me. Okay. Let's go take him to another place. I don't have any shears because I don't have any iron. Wow. Did it teleport or is that just mega speed? Oh. The sheep must really like wheat. Oh, the sheep is right next to me. For a second I thought I lost it. Yes, good. This way, sheep. Oh, well, maybe not that way. Somewhere. Now we gotta go slowly wherever that thing is, and try not to bother that iron golem, cause it'll surely kill us. I'm really sure of it. Okay, you're here. Okay, let's take it step by step. But where is that fence? That's the chicken farm. That's the sheep. Then where's that place where the pig escaped? Because that's gonna be our new area for these sheep. Here, yeah, good. Feed you some if you want it. Okay. Wow, the music just got so much louder. You following? Okay. I'm glad I got into this village. It's a good one, and I like it. I don't like those small villages and small villages. They're really poor. You're over here. Come on, where is that fence I'm looking for? I think I found it. Yeah, it has that tree in it. Are you following me? There. Good sheep. Over here. Good. In here. Oh no, come back here, sheep. Good. Here, stay in here. I'll give you food. If you promise to stay in here and not escape the little tiny map. Good. You kept your promise. Oh wait, and since you kept your promise, here, can you still eat? Come on. Oh shoot, that was bad. Wait, can sheep pick stuff up? Let's check it out. I'll drop that. Wait, I picked it up. Nope. Well, now I'm gonna have to replace it. Wait, where did that go? I thought oh, I have 2 pieces of dirt. 9. Okay, let's go. Okay. So, wait, what? For a second I thought it was night. Okay, well, it's getting dark. Well, not so dark, a little bit darker. I'll go take some hay. Hey, it's always good to have some more hay. Okay, now it's getting a little bit darker. Let me go somewhere. Oh yeah, I still didn't find my helmet. Okay. It's not night. Now is it? I'm just gonna keep doing it until it's night. Come on, just be night already. Just be night. Wow, we've been playing for 20 minutes already. Why is it not night? It looks like it's night. Okay, there we go. I'm carrying a poppy in my hand. Okay, why did I leave bed? Okay. Okay. Wait, I want to see all the commands there are. What's clone? Clone. Hey, zombie. Oh, shoot. Why did I start attacking him without a weapon? Come on, just burn to death already. Oh, yeah, and don't get any of those villagers. Did you die? Okay, good. Because I do not want a zombie villager here. Did they put anything in these barrels? I want to check. Why don't they put anything in these barrels? I'd really like something. Why is there so much hay too in this village? I have 58 wheat. Wrong. Okay, there we go. My hunger is restored. Even though I didn't need that. Come back here, chicken. I want to take you to our chicken farm. And then we're gonna get some sheep for our sheep farm. Well, okay. Wait, which way is it? I'm gonna go for some guessing. By now I think I've been through the whole village, but I didn't memorize the village yet. Why do they even go in those barrels when there's nothing in them? Are you here? Okay, good, chicken. Yeah, and my cat is there. Okay, good. Okay, there's the chicken farm. Okay. Come here, I'll give you some. You here? Can you swim, chicken? Can chicken swim? It looks like he'll make it for some food. Looks like he really likes food. Don't go in the well. Okay, good. That felt a little bit creepy at first. Wait, now I think I lost it. Oh, it's over here. And I found it again. Are there chickens? Okay, come on. Over here. Over here. Don't fall in that place so I don't kill you. Wait, what? Where's the baby? Did it escape? Did the baby manage to escape? Okay, now for some sheep. Ah, oopsies. Okay, let's go back. Hey there, what do iron golems eat? Furnaces? Huh. No, I bet they don't. Wait, maybe I could get a horse. What do horses eat? Do they eat wheat? They don't, it seems. Do they eat carrots? Over here, like carrots? What? Do they like apples? Oh, maybe they like apples. Look here, okay, good. Do you like apples or not? This way, horse. Ah. Whoa. Okay, let's just get away from here. Ooh, another. No, I need to get more sheep because I already have a bunch of chickens. I gotta go check for some eggs in the morning. Oh, there's an egg right here. And I found my cave site. I don't need you. But I need I have wood. Okay, that's good. A crafting table. Thank you. Okay, some sticks. Let's place down my crafting table. Ugh, move it. You're in the way. Now, we're going to make as much pickaxes as possible so with our stuff. Well, as much pickaxes as we can that could fit in our inventory. We might be mining for a long time. Who knows? Just keep this right out here. Okay, I don't have any space for cobblestone, it seems. Okay. Do I have any torches? No, I'll have to make some, though. Then I'll use as... Do I have any sticks? I'll make 4 for... Well, I'll make 16, I guess. Well, 17 now. I'll go mine up this and then get that for torches. Oh, it's actually already pretty dark. Let me just place... Okay, to light up the area. Okay. Let's go back to mining this coal. And I hope we run into some iron, which is really useful now. Any iron? I'm only at level 5? That's a little weird. Okay, why do I feel scared to go in any deeper? My instincts tell me just to dig around here. Okay, and I don't have space for cobblestone. I'll throw away my dirt. Oh, it's almost night. Wow. Wait, save screenshot. What's that? I have... Okay, what should I get rid of? I'll go put the rest of it somewhere. I'll just keep that torch there. Even though I didn't dig up a lot, I'll go get some sheep now. Why? Wait, let's just make all of these. Wait, there's something called a coal block, if I'm right. Let me go see if I can make that. Wait, where'd my cave? Wait, now I lost that cave area. That's weird. I lost it already. I remember. Maybe it's somewhere around here. Is it in this hole? Yeah, I think it is. Wait, what was that? I think I just saw a glitch there. Where'd the crafting table go? Oh, okay, this is another cave site. Wait, maybe I should venture in there when my cat is sitting, not now. Okay. And I have enough coal to make a coal block. Alright. Over this way, okay, sheep? You follow, right? Yeah, there we go. Okay, good sheep. Good. I can breed you to make another baby sheep. Good. Wait, cows? Get away, cow. Yes. Cows like wheat. I thought they'd... Oh, seriously? An Enderman in our village? Now I don't like this. I'm so killing that Enderman. Enderman's first, okay? Oh, fine. Hey, Enderman. What are you doing? Let me kill you. Okay, maybe it won't bother us. I do not like this. It's creepy how the Enderman teleports. I'll take my axe and attack it if it's coming. Where is that? Maybe I should just take its legs. Wait, maybe... I think if you kill an Enderman, you might get an Ender Pearl, if I'm right. I'm going a little low on hunger. Okay. Hey, Iron Golem, do you like apples? Oof, that wasn't a good jump. I'm gonna see if I can feed the Iron Golem apples. Okay, let's go for the jump. Oh, maybe you could just walk on. Do you like it? Oh, no, no! Oh, come on. Why do I not respawn back at the village? That's weird. It says respawn. Wait. It says respawn. Wait. What? That's weird. It doesn't show my respawn point set on the chat. That's why I'm not respawning. Why is that happening? Maybe there's a glitch in the game that's probably not gonna be fixed. Why do I try to feed that? I don't want to hurt. Okay, maybe I'll just stay away from that Iron Golem and never go next to it again. Maybe when I have diamond armor and diamond swords and stuff like that. Oh, there's a cave over here which I'm not messing with. I'm kind of afraid of caves. Well, not really, a little bit. Oh no, I think I lost the village. I think it's over this way. Where's that lonely tree? Oh, maybe this is not a cave. Oh, there it is. Ooh, okay. Okay. But where is the village? Where's that one lonely tree that stands out? Oh, it's over that way. Maybe I just gotta keep following that path until I get to the village. Okay, let's keep climbing up higher. Where's the village? That's weird. I think I lost the village. It would be useful if I had a light showings. I could just glide to a really far place and then I would be able to easily find the village. But I don't know how to craft light showings, and I don't know exactly how. I've used it in what? Oh no, that means it must have a leather cap. So that's bad. Wait, there's a lot of animals. Is the village this way? Oh, it's there. Okay. Oh, that's where the lonely tree was. I'm just gonna see if this cracks. Wait, what? How do I throw stuff? E, D, Q. I can throw it like that, but how do I throw it? W, G, S, D, J, L. Oh, that's. What's this? Suit up. Hot stuff. There's already, maybe there could be 2 iron golems in one village, but I don't know how to craft an iron golem either. I gotta go pick up all my stuff again. Oh, I didn't want that. Y, maybe R? How do I throw this egg to crack it? B, N, space, nope. Z, X, C, V, F, not F, R, E, no, Q, so T, no, not T, U, I, O, P, F, G, G, H, I, G, H, J, K, L, not L, Z, X, C, V, B, N, F. Okay, none of the letters. Oh, that's how you do it. Double tap. Where is the iron golem standing? Because it killed me. So the stuff should be picked up right where it was last time. And I don't really worry because when the iron golem kills me, because I can pick up all my stuff again. Where is that iron golem standing? Where is the iron golem? I'm sure this is the same village. What? Is that a new place? Because I didn't see that yet. Did they just add that? Where are you, iron golem? I'm sure it was on one of those roofs. But which roof? Maybe the iron golem came off the roof, but my stuff is still there. Well, I'm eventually bound to run into it. Because I'm going to stay in this village. Maybe it's over here, because I don't remember I went over here after I died from the iron golem. Oh, yeah, I think the iron golem left it. Oh, it's still there. Maybe I just... Ouch. That hurt. My trapdoor, my leather boots are there. Some of my black wool. Oh, it's almost time for night. I'll just sleep out the night and then I'll go take it up in the morning. Where is the bed here? I gotta go get into another place. Ouch. That hurt. Oh, my apples. I could eat some, but I don't need apples. Some of my stuff is in. That place has a bed. I gotta go get into the entrance. Because it's almost... I think it's night. Yeah, it is night. Wait, is this... Yeah, this is where my stuff is. Oh, and my stone sword is here. I can take all this. I'll just sleep. Wait, T. Respawn point set. Wait. Why do I keep typing E? Okay, now. My feather. I'll go onto the roof now. Where the iron golem killed me. Wait, did I lose the roof? Okay, it's that roof. The iron golem roams. Wait, can iron golems pick stuff up? Because I don't see my stuff here. That's weird. Where's my stuff? Ah, where's my stuff now? Did I pick all of it up? That's definitely not all my stuff. I had a bunch of pickaxes. Did it fall in water, maybe? No, it couldn't be falling that far away. Nah, I might find it later. I don't really worry about it now. I'll just take all these to replace that, I guess. Why do those cats make weird noises like that? Oh, I have 5, 3 cauldrons, 1 bell, 1 torch, some 9. Stop making that noise. Okay, fine, sleep there all day if you want, I don't care. Well, I kinda do care, but still. I think the place deserves a tree. Well, I don't have any bone meal. Come on. Oh God, what's my mouse is so bad today. Not every day, but today. Okay. Now let's go. Oh, I don't have hay. Wait. But what I can do is, since I have 5 eggs, I can go get that egg farm that I started. Where is my egg farm? Where's my egg? Oh, there it is. Ouch. I fell. Which I don't know. Is my cat... My cat snores so loudly. I don't like it. Oh, wow. You've grown much. Okay, there we go. Chicken. Now let's go in give me all these eggs you've laid. I'll get some seeds so I can feed. Not enough. And if I can feed you guys breed. And then we'll get more. I can hear it meowing from here. Well, my cat meowing from here. Wait, what? Is this the first time I've gotten... Wait, what's it called? Oxy Daisy, okay. I've gotten that before in previous games I've played, but I haven't recorded. Okay, where is... Okay, there's the... Okay, seed. Oh, that's a carrot. There's a seed. 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 I'll just take some wheat. Let's take all our 15 seeds. Let's go feed it, and then we'll get some more. Chickens. When those chickens grow up, we'll be able to breed them, and then soon we'll be able to actually extend our farm a little bit. So, wait, Village, are you trapped in here? If you want, I can help you get out of there. Hey, Villager, come out. Okay, you're welcome. No biggie. Ha, that was easy. Oh yeah, cows like wheat. Maybe I can also start a cow farm there. But I don't know how to use cows though. Well, I might have known before, but maybe I forgot. What are you doing up there, Villager? That's dangerous. I'm not stopping you. You're grown up. You get to make your own decision. Okay, I'm bad at pronouncing stuff. Okay, who lives here? Oh yeah, this is where I wanted to make my cow farm, I remember. So, over here, chickens. Breed, breed. Breed, breed. Breed, and breed. Okay, make some babies. Can you breed yet? Not you. Can you breed? Breed. Can you breed? Can you breed? Can you breed? Can you breed? Okay, all of them can't breed. Now let's go take those eggs and let's test our luck. Oh! You want seeds, baby? Got 'em over here. But you're trapped outside. Come on in. Oh no. Seriously, okay. Did I collect your eggs? Move, 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 move. Gather. Okay, collect. Okay. How many eggs? They dropped 4. Let's test my luck and see if I can get a baby out of them. Okay, I got 1 baby. That's good. Move. I don't feel like hurting you. Go back in there. Okay, fine. You get to stay out. But you're the only one that'll stay out. Well, let's end this video today now. We've been playing for a pretty long time. Okay, bye.